The English and creative writing course was really fun to do. We got to study a mix of English and creative writing, obviously, and I quite liked the way that both fed into each other. A high point is the fact that we're by the sea, and so we get a lot of sunsets. And the sunsets are beautiful. The sky goes some incredible colours. It's really, really nice to watch. I've got a job as a student and chaplaincy worker at the University of Nottingham. It's a part-time job, and hopefully that will give me enough time to go and become a professional writer in the future. Do it! It's really fun. Great people, great town, lovely location. Just go for it.